Do you eat dogs in China?
Oranges think Chinese eat dog and cat.
Yeah. I was eating a dog once, and I'd like to try cat when I come to China.
I have cute dog and a cute cat and a cute cat.
Do you plan to eat it at some point?
Wait.
When they get old.
Wait.
No.
Yeah. Shut up!
A few moments later.
You,
I have a lot of cats.
would you cook one of your cats for me?
Eat cat?
Yeah, I'd like to try. You said you have a lot of cats. Maybe you can cook one of them. I mean, if you have a lot, you wouldn't mind one, like...
Stop it. Get some help.
In China, they eat cats and dogs.
But I'm not Chinese.